Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to edit chat rules on Twitch. Click on your profile picture, then click on Creator Dashboard and click on these three lines right here and go right here to Moderation. Then click on Settings. Here, scroll down until you see Chat Rules and click on it to expand it. And here you can add a rule, as you can see. So add a rule. Number 1 rule, click on Save Changes, and if you add another rule, so let's say second rule, now as you can see, when I save it, I can edit it the way I want. So I can rename it like this. I can delete it if I want by clicking on this trash icon, or I can move it up or down the list if I want, like this. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye-bye.